Igama uSinekugu Pholoma, intombazane esuka eGcilima. Right now ngizorepresenta ibusiness yami okuthiwa iSimple Cosmetics Center, where engidayisa ama-companies product like uAvon, Justine, Inuka and Honey. These products last the whole day. For instance, lipstick le iyameta on your lips, and you can trust whatever that you are drinking ukuthi ngeke izisalele eglassini. And I also have ama-perfumes that will last you the whole day. Lapho uthi uhaga umuntu othandiwe enhlizweni wakho wazi kahle ukuthi lizosalela iphunga lakho kuyena. So you just spray it la, nala, and nala. Then you give that person a hug, and you can trust it ukuthi unuka kamnandi ngaso sonke isikhathi. The frequent question that I'm always asked by my customers are which product can they use for their skin? I ask them, what kind of skin is it? Do you have an oily skin or you have a dry skin? The correct product ongayisebenzisa egezeni ubuso bakho as well as ukugcobisa ubuso bakho, as well as a foundation noma a cream that you can put on your face that will last you the whole day. So we have different kind of creams. We have cream to powder, we have foundation, liquid foundation, we have also all powder, corner or mineral powder, corner or pressed powder that you can apply. Even you can have a sprayer that will make your foundation or your makeup last the whole day. The frequent question that I get to be asked ngama customer is, eyiphi perfume enuka kamnandi? Then I ask them ukuthi wena uthanda perfume enuka kanjani? Do you like something efana na rose? Do you like something sweet, or you like something that is woody? Then I tell what product I have that will make you usmele ngendlela oyidingayo, and perfume ezokuthatha usuku lonke unuka kamnandi and feel comfortable in your own smell. Emonye imibuzo engivame ukuyizwa noma abangibuza wona ama-customer wami bengidayisa is related to izikhwama. They will ask me ukuthi isikhwama angabe senziwe ngeleda, sizothatha isikhathi esingakanani and all that. And I tell them ukuthi izikhwama zami, especially zakoHoney and all that, they last for a long time. And you also as a customer need to take care of them. Uzithande izikhwama zakho njengoba nawe uzithanda, naso sizokulatha isikhathi eside, and you'll feel comfortable wearing and carrying your bag ngesikhwama sakaHoney from Simple Cosmetics Center. I also cater for those women that do not like makeup, because nginawo product ogeza ubuso nama SPF that protect your face from the sun, and then you also feel comfortable at your own skin. Advice that I could give to younger women or any other woman out there, especially the economy that we are under, I'm saying to you right now, get out there, sell your product, be comfortable in your own skin, trust what you're selling. You can get extra and extra money from selling cosmetics. So trust me, space is ningi, it's there for all of us. Just have those products, sell those products, believe in those products, and especially believe in yourself. I believe, Uguti, if we work together, we can do more. So here in the South Coast, I work with a lot of young people, fashion designers, salons, and all that. So I believe in togetherness as women. You can get hold of me via WhatsApp with number 0822 947482, and also go Facebook page liti Simple Cosmetics Center. So you can also just call me go 0822 947482. I truly, truly, truly believe that I am the next billionaire.